Susan Majesty from YouTube, and I just heard you reached 100 subscribers, so I just want to congratulate you by giving you this award.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the YouTube headquarters now and carry on demonetizing people for using 0.0001 seconds of copyrighted music in their videos. Bye!
Well, I guess I have to open my 100 subscriber play button now. Yay!
Hey guys, welcome to this unboxing of the 100 subscriber play button. Let's do it.
We're opening the letter.
Oh, we have a note. I wonder what this says.
Wow, it's a nice letter from Susan Wojcicki. What's up? No, don't.
There we go. So, let's have a read.
YouTube, dear Frazzle Sticks, you've done something very many creators accomplish. You had 100 people subscribe to your channel. We imagine you had a reaction of something like this.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
This is truly a poggers moment for YouTube history. Take this rock play button as a token of your achievement. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Yes, woo, yeah, but takes up about a third of the page. So, yeah, so here's the actual thing. So yeah, this is the 100 subscribers rock play button. It's pretty epic. It says Frazzle Sticks 100 subs. Let's put this with the Jack Sucks at Life YouTubers. So if you don't know who Jack Sucks at Life is, you don't need to watch any of his videos. His YouTube explains it all. He collects a lot of play buttons, and I'm sure he will be happy to have the Rock 100 subscribers play button. Your collection is complete! Woo!
Bye!